Play your best card. If you use a BMW Digital Key or BMW Digital Key Plus, keep the deactivated service card in your car so you can hand it over to your service partner for planned service appointments, for valet parking, or in case of a breakdown. When you need it, activate the service card like this. With a digital or physical key in the vehicle, place the service card in the wireless charging tray and press Activate Service Card in the pop-up. Or alternatively, with the card placed in the wireless charging tray, go to All Apps, Keys, Digital Key, Service Card, Activate Service Card. That's it. And here's how to use it. Hold the service card to the door handle to unlock or lock the car, and place it in the wireless charging tray to switch on Drive Ready state. To deactivate, you need to have a physical or digital key inside the vehicle. Go to Keys, Digital Key, Service Card, and press Deactivate Service Card. Or even easier, when you unlock with the digital or physical key while the service card is active, a pop-up appears and you can deactivate the card with one click. Enjoy service with ease.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?